In this video, we're just gonna try stuff. We have our oil extractor, and every time we get a new car, we try to see if we could use the oil extractor to remove oil from our car. Now, this is a Ford Focus ST 2013, and we're gonna try it out. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the oil cap, and then we're gonna remove the oil dipstick, and then we're gonna be entering the attachment, and this is gonna go all the way down in the oil pan, and it seems to be going down there pretty well. All right, now let's start pumping. And with our extractor, we're gonna make sure everything's good to go. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pump. And then the great thing about it is once you pump, it has vacuum and it's just gonna suck out the oil over time. So you could go inside, have a cup of coffee, and when you come back, the oil is gonna be sucked out for you, which is actually really cool. Look at that. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes and we came back, and of course we still have the oil filter, but if you look at this, we got about 5 to 5.2 quarts out, which is pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this part. There it goes. And then we're gonna hang this up so the oil could go down, and then we'll drop that off at the auto parts store, but that part is done. All right, so the oil extractor works on our 2013 Ford Focus ST. And that's important to know because I like using my oil extractor. It's really easy to use, it's not as messy, all the oil goes in a container that's really easy to pour out. I like this method. Now, some people might state that while you're down there getting the oil filter, you might as well just remove the drain plug and let the oil out. And to be honest with you, that is probably the preferred method, but I like to test my tools. I like to see what works, if you have other alternative ways how to do something, and it does. For me, I think I might do both, depending on which one is easier for me that day. And honestly, this method works really easy, so I like it. It's just preference, but I wanted to see if this extractor worked on this car. All right, guys, thank you for watching.